Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. To get started, I have a vertical video here that I'd like to rotate to landscape. First, make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline. Then, left-click on the sequence and select Sequence Settings. In the sequence settings, you'll need to change the frame size values. Switch the two values, so for example, put 1920 for horizontal and 1080 for vertical. Right away you'll see that the aspect ratio is flipped, so we did it right. Click OK to confirm the change. Now all that's left to do is rotate the video. Make sure your clip is still selected on the timeline and go over to Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, change the rotation value to 270 or -270, depending on which way you want your footage to be flipped. And that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.